Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another Hat Club exclusive. Now, you know we're talking about the Green with Envy collection, and they had a lot of bangers in this collection, man. But you already know what I picked up, man. Stay tuned.
Got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty. And I be holding down the city. I'm litty. I be holding down the city.
Welcome back, man. Yes, we're here. We have the Hat Club Green with Envy right here, man. Green with Envy, man. Now, I'm going to call it the St. Patrick's Day just because, you know, we not envious over here, man. We not jealous. We not green with envy, man. But let me go ahead. I got my trusty box cutter. You know what time it is. We're going to slice it right on down the middle. Peel it back, man. You know what time it is. Peel back, gang, man. We growing, man. We been in this thing for a while and we still growing. Now let's see. We got the packing slip. We got a little box trash. Now let's see. Ooh. Now we pinless. There's no pin in this box, man. But we got something better than a pin, man. Check me out. We have the Green with Envy right here, man. You already knew what team I was gonna get. You knew what team I was gonna get, man. I had to get the Toronto Blue Jays, man. Let me just go ahead and give you a look-see at that right there, man. We have this Toronto Blue Jays. It has like a forest green color. We have a light green, like almost a lime green right here, accent type color. Check me out, man. We have the lime green underbrim. Now, this is my first time copying any of the lime green underbrims, but it matches perfectly with the logo on the front, man. So that's like a new thing for me. And I like the color green, you feel me? They say, is it gold for the honey, green for the money? Something like that, man. Y'all gotta ask Don Magic Wand or Bishop Wand, whatever his name is, man. But anyway, we got the all green Toronto Blue Jays right here, man. Size 7 1/8. Lime green bottom right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. All white sweatband, man. You know the vibes with the white sweatband. If you need help on how to keep it right, man, just go ahead and watch the other video. We have the 1992 World Series patch right there, man. 1992. And like I said before, it's got that gold, you feel me, and it has that green. So you can't go wrong with that combination, man. You go ahead and spin it to the back. We have that Batterman logo. We got the flat Batterman logo in that forest green. Some real nice threading right there. We're going to keep turning. We have the new era flag right there in that same color green. So you know that's going to blend in well, man. I really like this hat, man. I like this hat, one, because it gives me something else to wear for St. Patrick's Day. Now, usually I'll bust like a Boston Celtics throwback or, you know, something like that, or maybe one of my beloved Eagles jerseys, you feel me? But this just gives me something else in the rotation, you feel me, for St. Patrick's Day. Now, I'm interested, hopefully now, you know what, first, let's go ahead and get to the fit, man. Take this joint off. And if you haven't seen this review, this is a banger too, man. So go ahead and check out my other video on this. Let's go ahead, we're gonna throw this on. Man, the fit is impeccable. Oh yes, the fit is impeccable, man. I'm digging this right here, man. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot right there, man. Yeah, now this is one of those colors that I don't have a lot of. I don't have a ton of green, so when I saw it came up, I had to grab one, man. And you knew I had to get my Blue Jays. Now, they had a gang of good ones in this collection, man. They had a lot of top tier, in my opinion, you feel me? They had that Padres was a banger. The Cubs was a banger. Chicago Cubs, that one was a banger, man. The Royals, Kansas City Royals had a banger, a low key, you feel me? But you know I had to go with the Bird Gang, man. You know I got the Blue Jays joint, man. So let me give you a little bit more side patch, man. And then I gotta let you know what I would rock. You feel me? What am I gonna wear with this hat, man? So I'm gonna give you a little outfit idea, man. So stay tuned. Now, welcome back, man. Now look, stop playing with me, man. You know I don't play when it comes to my coordination, B. Now look, we got the Green with Envy hat. Look at the shirt, man. You feel me? Now, I could always go with a fresh tee today I had to switch the swag up just a little bit, man. I got the button down with the short sleeves, you feel me? You know, when the sun is out, the guns is out, you feel me? But anyway, man, we got the all green right here. We got that light green, and we got a little bit of that dark green, which is just complementing the hat, you feel me? Then we got that white with that white sweatband. I mean, to me, it really gets no better, man. This is giving me that spring kind of summery vibe, man. You feel me? Almost feel like you on vacation, like you just finna take a stroll down, you know, to the beach or something, man. But yeah, let me know what you were able to pick up from the Green with Envy collection. Like I said, that Cubs was a heater, that Padres was a heater, but I had to go with my Blue Jays. You know, that's a foregone conclusion, man. Tell me what you were able to pick up, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man, because you know we coming with more than hats. We coming with the swag. You know we got clothes. We doing everything, man. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.